Welcome to the UVET project, a European initiative dedicated to developing vocational skills for UAV maintenance and repair. The project focuses on giving learners the knowledge and hands-on skills they need to keep UAVs safe, reliable, and compliant with regulations. Training modules cover everything from record keeping and inspections to calibrations, system checks, and advanced repair techniques. To support your learning, UVET provides a complete set of resources, including training videos, guidebooks, technical checklists, and occupational standards. The ultimate goal is to prepare a new generation of skilled UAV technicians ready to meet the demands of a fast-growing industry. This lesson is part of that journey. Let's get started. Hello everyone, and welcome to Lesson 2 of Module 1. In this lesson, we will be focusing on inspection and maintenance procedures, one of the most important responsibilities of any UAV operator or technician. Inspections are the foundation of UAV safety and performance. By carefully checking each component before use, we can identify potential issues early, prevent accidents, and ensure that every flight is carried out with confidence. Throughout this session, we'll walk through the essential inspections you need to master. You'll learn how to examine the airframe for cracks, loose components, and general wear, inspect propellers for damage, imbalance, or insecure mounting, verify the motors to confirm consistent and reliable power delivery, and clean and inspect the chassis, removing dirt and debris that could interfere with performance. We'll also talk about the tools and techniques that make inspections more effective, and we'll highlight the importance of documenting every finding. Even small details matter. Tightening a screw, cleaning away dust, or noting down an observation can make the difference between a safe flight and a costly failure. This training is part of the UAVET project, which aims to raise the quality of UAV vocational education and prepare skilled technicians for the growing demand in UAV maintenance and repair. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand not only how to conduct these inspections, but also why they matter for safety, compliance, and the long-term health of a UAV. Let's get started by looking at why inspections are so critical before every operation. Welcome to Lesson 2, where we focus on the inspection and maintenance procedures critical to keeping your UAV in top condition. Inspections are the foundation of UAV safety and performance, ensuring that every component operates as intended and that the potential issues are addressed before they lead to larger problems. As we mentioned, in this lesson, you'll learn how to inspect the airframe for cracks, loose components, and signs of wear. Check the propellers for damage, balance, and secure mounting, and verify motor functionality to ensure reliable power delivery. Lastly, we'll learn how to clean and inspect chassis to remove dirt and debris that might interfere with the operation. To get the most out of this lesson, follow these steps. Watch the training videos on inspecting the airframe, propellers, motors, and chassis. Study the visual inspection guidance material in Resource 5. Review the inspection toolkit material provided to you in Resource 6 to understand the tools needed for effective checks. Complete the inspection toolkit checklist using Resource 7 to practice your skills. And finally, test your knowledge by completing the Lesson 2 quiz in Resource 8. These steps will guide you toward a thorough understanding of UAV inspection procedures. Section 1. Why inspections matter. Before every UAV operation, it is essential to conduct a detailed inspection. Neglecting this step can lead to performance issues, safety hazards, or even regulatory violations. Key tasks include inspecting the airframe for cracks, loose components, and wear. These issues can compromise structural integrity. Checking the propellers for physical damage, imbalance, or insecure mounting, which can disrupt flight performance. verifying motor functionality to ensure they deliver consistent and reliable power during the operation, cleaning the sachets to remove dirt, debris, and dust that could interfere with your UAV's performance. Taking these steps will ensure that your UAV is ready to perform efficiently and safely. Section 2. Preparing for an effective inspection. Now, let's break down the steps required to prepare for a thorough and effective inspection. First, you will always review the UAV manual. Begin by understanding the specific inspection guidelines and maintenance recommendations for your drone model. Each UAV is unique, so this step ensures that you're aware of model-specific needs. Then, gather inspection tools. Assemble all necessary tools, such as flashlights for detailed examination, a magnifying glass for small cracks, and a soft cloth for cleaning surfaces. Section 3. Remembering to pay attention to detail. While conducting inspections, it's crucial to focus on the details and document your findings. Examine all small parts. Pay attention to screws, connectors, and wiring to ensure everything is tight and free from wear. Small issues here can cause significant problems during flight. Ensure cleanliness. Dirt and debris can interfere with sensors and airflow, so cleaning is a vital step for maintaining UAV health. Record the results. Keep detailed notes of any issues, repairs, or maintenance performed. These records are valuable for tracking trends, ensuring compliance, and planning future maintenance. Attention to detail and accurate documentation are what separate a good UAV operator from a great. You're now ready to dive into the practical steps of UAV inspection. Here's what's next. Watch the training videos on inspecting the airframe, propellers, motors, and sachets. Study the visual inspection guidance material in Resource 5. Review the inspection toolkit material in Resource 6. Complete the inspection toolkit checklist in Resource 7. And then finally test your knowledge with the Lesson 2 quiz in Resource 8. By mastering these inspections, you'll ensure that your UAV is always ready to fly safely and efficiently. Thank you for completing this lesson. This training is part of the UVET project, dedicated to developing vocational skills in UAV maintenance and repair. For more resources, guides, and training materials, visit uavet.org. See you in the next lesson.